Hello students, this is Abhishek from Mount Literacy School Jhansi. Today we are taking chapter 2 of class 11th economics, that is central problem of an economy. So what do you mean by the term economy? Economy is the study of people residing in a particular area, how they are earning, what is their standard of living, what is their rate of investment, what is their rate of saving, etc. So every economy has to face three problems and have to give answer to the three question of economy. First question is, that is what to produce. Second question is how to produce, and third question is for whom to produce. Now going back to first question, what to produce. So an economy can produce two types of goods by their limited resources. One goods is capital goods and second is consumer good. Capital goods are those goods which are used again and again for the process of manufacturing, like machine, equipment, etc. Consumer goods are those goods which are used only by one, like bread and butter. So if you may manufacture capital goods, we have high rate of profit margin, but if you manufacture consumer goods, the profit margin is slightly low. Second question is how to produce. There are two techniques for the production of goods. First is capital intensive technique, second is labor intensive technique. When we manufacture goods by the use of machinery and we require less labor, it is known as capital intensive technique. But if you manufacture goods by using more and more labor, it is known as labor intensive technique. Third question is for whom to produce. If the country wants to use its resources entirely for the rich person, they manufacture goods for rich class only. But if they want to satisfy the poor or weaker section of the society, they produce those goods which satisfy the needs of poor. So as we have discussed in my earlier chapter, there are three types of economy: market economy, centrally planned, and mixed economy. So these three types of economy give answer to these three questions in different way. First question is what to produce. In the market economy, they will produce only those goods which yields high profit. So definitely they will choose to produce capital goods rather than consumer goods. Second, which technique they will use. They will use high technology, which means they will use capital intensive technique for the production of goods. Third point is that for whom they will produce. Basically they will produce for the rich class to earn more profit from that segment of market. Now moving to the next economy, that is centrally planned economy. Centrally planned economy will use their resources to produce that type of goods for the welfare of the poor section of the society. So they will produce consumer goods. Second question, how to produce. They will produce goods by using labor intensive technique, so that the problem of unemployment can be reduced in that economy. Third is for whom to produce. They will produce goods for the poor or weaker section of the society for their welfare and for their benefits. Last type of economy is mixed economy, just like India. They will produce both type of goods, capital goods and consumer goods, for the welfare and for the profit earning. Now the second question is how to produce. In India, there are two types of industries which are run by private and public sector. So they will use capital intensive technique also and labor intensive technique also for good profit and for the welfare of the society. And the third question is for whom to produce. In India or in any type of mixed economy, the goods which are produced is not for particular one. So the last question for the mixed economy is that for whom to produce. The country like India will produce goods for rich class as well as for poor class. For rich class for earning good profit and for poor for their welfare and satisfaction. So today we have discussed the 2 modules of this chapter, and in the next class we will study PPC. That's all for today. Thanks and have a nice